Welcome to our exploration of augmented reality, or AR for short. Have you ever wondered how your favorite mobile apps bring digital elements into the real world? Well, that's the magic of AR. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what AR is, its history, and how it's enriching our everyday experiences. So without further ado, let's embark on this journey into the world of augmented reality. Chapter 1. What is AR? Augmented reality, or AR, is a cutting-edge technology that seamlessly blends the physical world with computer-generated images, sounds, and other sensory inputs. Unlike virtual reality, which creates entirely artificial environments, AR keeps the real world intact while adding a digital layer. It's an interactive and immersive experience, often delivered through software, apps, and hardware like AR glasses. AR enhances our environment with digital content, creating a unique and engaging experience. Chapter 2. How was augmented reality made possible? The idea of augmented reality has been around for quite some time. However, it wasn't until the 1990s that it became a reality. The US Air Force Research Laboratory played a crucial role in making AR a practical concept with their virtual fixtures system. With the advent of smartphones, AR became more accessible to the public. Games like Pokemon Go introduced millions to AR's potential. Today, AR is flourishing in various industries and continues to evolve with technological advancements. Chapter 3. How AR is enriching customer experience in the current world. AR is changing the game when it comes to enhancing the customer experience in various industries. For instance, in the retail sector, AR is revolutionizing shopping. Furniture retailers use AR to let customers visualize how products would look in their homes before purchasing. Even advertising is benefiting from AR, with cosmetic companies allowing customers to virtually try on makeup. In e-commerce, AR provides a better understanding of products, while the automotive industry is using it to create immersive car buying experiences. AR is adding a new dimension to customer engagement. Chapter 4. How can AR shape the future? In the fast-paced world of technology, augmented reality, AR, is poised to become a groundbreaking force that will reshape various sectors. From education and healthcare to manufacturing and retail, AR is offering innovative solutions to enhance our lives and industries. This article delves into the potential of AR and how it's poised to redefine our future. Augmented reality in education. In the realm of education, AR is redefining the traditional classroom experience. It has the potential to make learning more interactive and engaging for students. With AR technology, textbooks and lectures can come to life. Students can interact with 3D models, historical figures, or complex concepts in real time. This immersive learning experience can help them grasp complex topics with greater ease and retention. Real-world simulations. AR can transport students to different eras, faraway places, or even microscopic realms. For instance, history lessons can take students back in time to witness historical events, while science classes can explore the molecular world through immersive simulations. Augmented reality in healthcare. The healthcare industry is also embracing AR technology, particularly in surgical and diagnostic procedures. Surgical precision. Surgeons can now access real-time information during operations, improving the accuracy of their procedures. AR allows them to overlay patient data, X-rays, and critical information onto their field of view, reducing the risk of errors and ensuring better patient outcomes. Medical training. AR is a valuable tool for medical training and education. It enables medical students to practice surgical procedures and diagnose illnesses in a simulated environment, preparing them for real-world challenges with a high level of proficiency. Augmented reality in manufacturing. In the manufacturing sector, AR has the potential to streamline processes and enhance worker efficiency. AR can provide workers with real-time instructions and information, making complex assembly processes more accessible. Assembly line workers, for example, can use AR headsets to receive step-by-step instructions, reducing the likelihood of errors and improving productivity. AR can also be used for quality control by detecting defects in products through visual overlays. This ensures that only flawless products reach the market, thereby enhancing product quality and customer satisfaction. Augmented reality in retail. In the retail industry, AR is revolutionizing the shopping experience for consumers. Shoppers can use AR applications to virtually try on clothing, accessories, and even makeup. This technology provides an interactive shopping experience, allowing customers to visualize products before making a purchase. AR apps can offer customers detailed product information through augmented labels, virtual demonstrations, and user reviews. This empowers buyers to make informed decisions and enhances their overall shopping experience. In conclusion, augmented reality, AR, is poised to shape our future by transforming education, healthcare, manufacturing, and retail. Its potential to enhance learning, improve surgical procedures, streamline manufacturing processes, and revolutionize the shopping experience makes it a technology to watch. The possibilities are endless, and as AR continues to evolve, its impact on our daily lives and industries will only become more significant. Augmented reality is not just a buzzword. It's a game changer that will define the way we learn, heal, produce, and shop in the future. AR's impact is real, and its future is now. And that concludes our journey through the world of augmented reality. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for joining us on this exploration.